Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to fix Scan QR code capability with iPhone or iPad. Scanning QR code with iPhone or iPad is done simply by pointing the devices at a QR code and use the camera. If it's not working, here is how to fix. First, open the Settings app on the iPhone or iPad. Next, go to Camera. At Camera, locate Scan QR codes, and make sure that it is toggled on. Exit Settings, and open Camera to scan QR code. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.